How much does a divorce cost in South Africa? What am I in for? Hi, my name is Aslam Mullah and I am a registered attorney. In today's video, we're looking at the breakdown of costs in respect of a divorce. Ultimately, when you are looking at a divorce, the cost will depend on whether it's a contested divorce or an uncontested divorce. What's the difference between the two? A contested divorce is where both parties are fighting over different aspects of the divorce. Getting an uncontested divorce is going to be much more faster and more economical than getting a contested divorce. The reason why is because you are not fighting over everything, and also it's emotionally draining to fight over everything. However, if your spouse is going to fight with you, you have no option but to fight back or settle. That will have a major impact on the cost. Generally, the longer the divorce proceedings, the more papers that need to be filed, the more expensive it becomes. The best way is to actually negotiate a fee with your divorce lawyer. Go to them and say to them, listen, how much are you going to charge me here? What's the best case scenario? What's the worst case scenario? Can you give me a better hourly rate? Can you give me a fixed fee structure? These are the type of questions you need to ask your divorce lawyer. In summary, getting a divorce can be expensive or it can be economical. It depends if both parties are fighting or if they agree to settle. My advice is settle in the areas that you can. In those areas that conflict your values or important to you, you need to fight. However, it all depends on you and what you want from the situation. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.